Agile, aggressive, and confidence-inspiring with track-inspired, precision-crafted performance at its very core. This is the ILX Premium A-Spec. Let's start by looking at some of the highlights of this trim level. A 2.5-liter 16-valve iVTEC engine with 201 horsepower, A-Spec steering wheel, A-Spec exterior with darkened headlights, taillights, and grille finish, black lip spoiler and side skirts, remote engine starter with vehicle feedback, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with paddle shifters, LED headlights, daytime running lights, taillights, and fog lights, and darkened 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The exterior of this ILX features a distinctive Acura design that gives this A-Spec trim a low, aggressive stance, with its signature diamond pentagon grille, side skirts, and exclusive A-Spec badging. Adding to that, you have the darkened July LED headlights with a total of 14 separate highly focused LEDs, each behind an optical lens, plus LED daytime running lights, taillights, and turn signals. Completing the look is this aggressive lower fascia with LED fog lights and these stunning darkened aluminum alloy wheels. Powering this ILX is an exhilarating 2.5-liter 16-valve iVTEC engine making 201 horsepower and 180 pounds per foot of torque. Power is managed by an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and you have the option of even more control with the steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, making this sedan both luxurious and fun to drive. These thrills come without sacrificing fuel economy, with the ILX getting a combined 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers. When it comes to safety, the ILX features the Acura Watch suite of safety and driver assistance features, including blind spot information, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist system, collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and road departure mitigation. The smart key fob for the ILX will allow you to take advantage of remote engine start with vehicle feedback, so you'll know when it's started. Plus, with remote start, the car will warm itself up on cold days and cool itself down on hotter days. And for multiple drivers, each key is connected to your memory driver's seat position. When you're done driving, you'll love the walkaway auto lock system that will automatically lock the doors when you leave for added peace of mind. The aggressive design of this A-Spec trim is carried over to the rear of the car, featuring molded accents, sporty shark fin antenna, deck lid spoiler, LED taillights, and chrome exhaust finisher. The trunk boasts 348 liters of space, made even larger when you fold the rear seat down, for those times when you need to move longer items. The inside of the ILX Premium A-Spec is comfortable and well-appointed. Refinement starts with the perforated leather trim seating surfaces with contrast stitching, as well as a leather-wrapped A-Spec steering wheel and shifter knob. Staying in tune with the sporty feel of this A-Spec are these sporty metal gas and brake pedals. Letting in lots of natural light is the one-touch power moonroof with tilt feature. The driver's seat is 10-way power adjustable, including power lumbar support, and the passenger seat is 4-way power adjustable, and both are heated. In terms of technology, the ILX A-Spec features a multi-information display that is customizable to the driver's needs. Plus, the multiple center displays here give you quick access to things like the dual-zone climate control and the ILX's premium sound system with 7 speakers, including the subwoofer. And to get all your favorite music and podcasts, the ILX features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Finally, this same screen is where you'll see the display from the multi-angle rear view camera, perfect for helping you back into those tight spaces. The ILX Premium A-Spec, where contemporary luxury meets precision-crafted performance.